Has it occurred to you that owning a Tesla Model 3 could bring you wealth? With this most recent version of the Model 3, Tesla will have its most affordable car to date and a chance to cash in on the low-cost segment of the auto business. The profits for Tesla investors might potentially reach triple digits once the market recognizes this. Today, you'll discover why the much-awaited Project Highland Model 3 refresh leaks recently occurred, how you can profit from being the first to know about this information, and why leaked secret details about its innovative craftsmanship and design will keep costs low for Tesla and eventually skyrocket the stock. Before we continue, though, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible Tesla stock news. Sources claim that the Tesla codenamed Project Highland Model 3 design update secret has attracted a lot of attention lately. On the Tesla Motors Reddit page, a purported photo of the new car was shared. It showed a streamlined front end, more Model S-like headlights, and a thinner bumper. Citing interactions they had with an insider during the Investor Day event on March 1st and a Tesla employee back in February, TeslaScope, a website that compiles and presents helpful data for Tesla users, has confirmed that the leaked photo was most likely authentic. The smoothing of the bumper around the edges and the headlamps akin to the models indicate that the front-end alterations are indeed what they seem to be. But it's also verified that Tesla is now mostly using seats manufactured by another business, which is unexpected coming from a corporation that has spent years trying to bring as much of the manufacturing loop in-house. Although the company's motivations are unclear, it's possible that it chose to refocus its production efforts in another direction. Previous rumors have suggested that Tesla is streamlining the Model 3's design, concentrating particularly on the interior's intricacy. This might mean adjustments to the chairs and the substitution of textile features for wood trim. There are also speculations of improvements to the camera and sensor suites, as well as modifications to the dash and infotainment display. These alterations suggest that the corporation is preparing to completely rework its earlier designs in order to utilize new production techniques and parts more effectively. Any new Model 3 will likely remain below the price thresholds required to be eligible for government incentive programs provided by the United States' recently passed Inflation Reduction Act, as Tesla appears to be optimizing the process and cutting production costs. With two projects, Highland and Juniper, both designed to capitalize on the present political environment, Tesla has been well on its way to meeting its goals. The riddle of what was hidden beneath the wraps of those Model 3 we've been seeing in the world these past few months has been resolved as a leaked photo reveals that the new Model 3 is far along in its beta process, at least for the outside. Ahead of the Cybertruck production action dates, previously unseen glimpses of feature testing are beginning to surface. An image of the Cybertruck's front, opened during testing, was shared on Twitter by Gregor Truck. It displays the massive frunk and is consistent with information that was given to guests of the Investor Day event on March 1. Brad Sloan, in the meantime, shared a drone flavor that provided a great view of the truck's windshield wiper being tested on the wind tunnel platform. The video shows that the wiper seems to cover almost the whole viewing area. These Cybertruck test cases demonstrate that Tesla is beginning to complete a number of design tasks, suggesting that they're probably quite close to completing the beta prototype in advance of the first real production test. Another sign of this is the increased emphasis on hiring for positions connected to Cybertrucks. Over 70 positions, including casting and stamping, body and general assembly, batteries, drive units, and even paint are listed. According to the announcement of the new Gigafactory in Mexico, it will take between 12 and 15 months from the time construction begins to the moment that manufacturing begins. Samuel Garcia, the governor of Nuevo León, Mexico, sees the delay in building Tesla's new Gigafactory as an opportunity rather than a setback. During this time, Tesla is developing a completely new production line for an entirely new car. Giga Shanghai set a 9-month schedule for Gigafactory development, which Tesla initially intended to beat. They did, however, choose to change their original plans to incorporate this new production line. Although the purpose of this new line has not been officially confirmed, there have long been speculations that Tesla is developing a more reasonably priced tiny car with a target price of about $25,000. This new car might be the driving force behind the new production line and would represent a substantial boost to Tesla's global fleet. Furthermore, in order to benefit from tax breaks and incentives provided by the American Inflation Reduction Act, which intends to expedite the switch from internal combustion engines, ICE, to electric vehicles through massive infrastructure spending, Tesla has already begun implementing significant modifications to its other models. A more reasonably priced small car would fit right in with the anticipated increase in electric vehicles. Beyond only the new platform that Elon Musk highlighted in Part 3 of his master plan, Tesla has been constantly updating its current portfolio of vehicles. They have been concentrating especially on utilizing the tax benefits and incentives provided by the American Inflation Reduction Act. The purpose of this legislation is to hasten the shift from conventional internal combustion engine automobiles to electric vehicles. Tesla has been modifying their cars to lower their cost and increase their efficiency and range in order to comply with IRA regulations. To increase energy density and lower the total weight of their cars, for instance, they have been improving battery technology. Additionally, they have been attempting to lower expenses and optimize their production procedures by improving supply chain management and automating more tasks. The stage is set for a huge surge in EV adoption in the upcoming years with the recent passage of the big infrastructure spending plan, which includes considerable financing for EV charging infrastructure and other incentives. This offers Tesla a fantastic chance to increase their market share and attract new clients. Specifically, a more reasonably priced little car would be a perfect fit for this anticipated EV boom since it would appeal to a larger consumer base and promote EV mass adoption. The creation of a new car platform was one of Tesla's lofty long-term objectives, as outlined in Elon Musk's 2016 Master Plan Part 3. This platform was meant to be utilized for both Tesla's current models and upcoming models. It was supposed to be adaptable enough to support a wide range of vehicle types, from cars to SUVs. When the firm revealed its intention to construct a new facility in Nuevo Leon, Mexico on March 1st, it also provided more details about its strategy to develop this new platform. This plant, which is scheduled for completion by the end of 2021, will be used exclusively to produce this new platform and will be equipped with cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, like the automation of robots to streamline and improve production efficiency. Along with these advancements, Tesla also disclosed that the new platform would enable a host of fascinating new features and capabilities, such as increased performance and range, improved safety measures, and new design possibilities. In addition, the business disclosed that it would be integrating these new production techniques into earlier Tesla models to enhance driving pleasure and prolong car longevity for owners. All things considered, these advancements signified a significant turning point for Tesla and demonstrate the company's continuous dedication to sustainability and innovation. Through its innovative production methods and state-of-the-art technological advancements, Tesla is paving the way for an era of electric vehicles that will surpass previous standards in safety, efficiency, and accessibility for consumers. This announcement appears to be in keeping with their intentions to test out novel production techniques at a new facility. According to Governor Garcia, the architects are currently finishing the construction templates and polished graphics as the project enters the rendering phase. They must not be far from starting construction on the new plant. In conclusion, by using the present political environment and working on projects like Highland and Juniper, Tesla is far closer to achieving its goals. Scenarios of the Cybertruck's windshield wiper and frunk are visible during feature testing. It appears that the manufacturing of the Cybertruck is drawing nearer based on Tesla's increased emphasis on hiring for positions relevant to the truck and a recent announcement from the Gigafactory in Mexico. Please